Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited to have another hair video for you guys. So I'm sure most of you have heard of this product all over TikTok and social media in general. It is the WavyTalk hair tool. So it has pretty much swept the nation, I don't know, maybe the world. I don't know how popular it is, but it's all over my TikTok, and I have it with me. So the most popular part of this tool is, of course, the round brush feature. It's a thermal brush, so it heats up and you're able to give yourself basically like the best, easiest blowout at home and like next to no time at all. So this actually comes in a set of a couple of different attachments. So it has a couple of different barrels, and then obviously the most popular one has been the thermal brush right here. So I think this is about like a 1 inch, maybe half an inch. I don't know. I'll leave the specifics down below, obviously. It works really well, and it works for basically almost all hair types. It works for my hair type. So this is fresh washed hair. It's dried, so you do this basically when your hair is dry. I don't think it's a good idea to do it when it's wet because you could cause a lot of damage that way. So you can basically style your hair when it's dry, any type of texture, and this is going to give you like the best blowout ever. So I'm just going to put mine on the hottest setting. There's 2 settings. There's 1 and 2. So it takes not that long to heat up, maybe like 2 minutes or something like that. I give it ample time to just make sure it's all the way heated up. What I really like about this is it's like you can use it on your whole head, or you can just kind of focus it on like your face framing pieces. You can use it on bangs if you have bangs, so it's very like multi-use friendly. It has this thing that you can hold on to here so you're not burning your fingers. And then, yeah, it just clicks in really easily. There's a button over here to take the attachment off, switch it out for the other ones. And yeah, I love it. So I'm going to show you guys, obviously, me giving myself a blowout using this tool right here. So if you want, you could section your hair. I just basically start from the front and work my way back. That's just kind of the method that works best for me, and I basically get this blowout in like under 15 minutes. So here we go. While I let that warm up all the way, I go in with a heat protectant. So this is basically a blow dry thermal lotion for your hair. It says it's for blow drying, but obviously can work for thermal brushes. Any type of heat protectant is better than no heat protectant. Obviously, you want to protect your hair from damage, especially if you're styling it often. And with these tools getting so much easier to use and quicker, I feel like we're all styling our hair more. I used to let my hair just like be natural all the time, but now I feel like I'm styling my hair more than I ever have. Okay, so I feel like my hair is like slightly damp, so I'm hoping that that's not an issue. Just gonna brush out like any snags. This is my natural texture, straight out the shower, no blow dry, just like air dry. This is what it is. So I have thick hair. I have a lot of hair. Okay. So there are a couple of techniques to this, and I would say smaller sections the better, because if you work with too much, you're going to overwhelm the brush and not get the desired look. So I kind of like give it a little bit of volume up here, and here is the trick. You twist it around, and then you pull it down the brush, letting the bristles grab the hair, and you can kind of like work with it. You can go up, let it sit on the tool, and then you release. And that's only one. That's one pass through. So you can also go up, give it that flip up, Move it slowly. And there you go. It's flipping outwards. I like to flip it outwards like this. So you wrap it around, go slowly, and I just like point it downwards. And there's the first piece of hair. So I'm just going to move through my whole head. So I kind of like brush it out first. It's so easy to work with. But that's the thing, like if you use too big of a chunk, you kind of run out of barrel and you're not going to get that desired look. And it's easy for you to like get all the way at the top of your head. Like, look at that. Amazing. And it's so smooth. It makes it so shiny. No frizz. Let's do this side. So, you know, it's a little bit more difficult to do it on the other side. So pretty, right? Gives it so much volume. And it's so easy to use, like so easy to use. I like to go just like every other side until my whole head is done. Sometimes I'll change the direction in which I do the wrapping just to kind of give my hair a little bit of a more versatile look. So if you want to go like switch directions, it sometimes gives it a lot more volume. So that's going inward. Let's do the same thing over here. And guys, I should have mentioned this first, but the price is like unbelievably affordable, like stupid affordable. Because there's a bunch of different thermal brushes out there, right? But like, I believe this one goes for about $30. Don't quote me. I'm going to leave the information down below. But it's like, I think it's under 50. Pretty sure. So it's like you can't even go wrong because it's like so affordable. Even if you're not a huge fan of it, you have like all these other attachments that come with it. It's like, you'll find one of the attachments that will work. And what I also love about this, in case I didn't mention a ton of things already, is it's so easy to touch up your hair the next day. So if you give yourself a blowout today and you have to like, you know, touch up a few blob pieces that fell throughout the day, it's easy to just grab those pieces and redo them. And as you can see, like your hair isn't staying on the heat for that long, so it's like not as damaging as other tools. Of course, any type of heat on your hair is going to be damaging, but it's like, we can manage the amount, right? And yes, it does yank through your hair sometimes, especially if you have curly hair like me. You know, just keep that in mind. Like, it's not the most gentle tool. It's still like harsh bristles ripping through your hair. So I guess in the sense of damage, it's like, yes, you must understand that this thing is yanking your hair. So there's gonna be some hair that it's pulling out. If it's snagging, you know, you really gotta make sure that you're brushing out those knots, or else it's gonna pull out your hair. But I say if you prep your hair right, put some smoothing oil in it maybe, you'll be just fine. And then girl, like, do your at-home hair treatment. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Super bouncy, soft, smooth, shiny, everything you want from a blowout, you know what I mean? Like, I love it. And my camera says 15 minutes, so that's pretty good. And like I said, you know, you can perfect it, you know, you can always fix some pieces throughout the day or, you know, the next day, so it's really easy to touch up. I love the way my hair turns out. Every time I use this, it takes no time at all. I'm obsessed. I will leave all the details for you guys down below so you can get yours. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you found it helpful and fun to watch. I had so much fun filming it, and I love this tool, so I just want everybody to know about it, and yeah, you should grab your own. So, until I see you guys in my next video, bye!